Describe the concepts and phases of projects. Objectives relating to time, cost, and quality. Objectives relating to time, cost, and quality form the core of project performance and are often referred to as the project management triangle or triple constraint. These three dimensions are interdependent, meaning that a change in one typically affects the others. Time objectives relate to the schedule and outline when key milestones and final deliverables must be completed. Cost objectives concern the budget, resource expenditure, and financial constraints placed upon the project. Quality objectives define the standards, functionality, and performance requirements that the project outputs must meet. Setting clear objectives in each dimension ensures that planning is structured and performance can be monitored throughout the project lifecycle. If objectives are not well defined, projects are more likely to suffer from delays, budget overruns, or outputs that fail to meet user or stakeholder expectations. The project manager must balance these constraints, ensuring that one is not prioritized at the expense of the others unless changes are formally agreed and controlled. Effective management of time, cost, and quality objectives requires careful planning and continuous monitoring. Time objectives are supported through scheduling techniques such as work breakdown structures, Gantt charts, and critical path analysis, which help identify the sequence of activities and dependencies. Cost management involves estimating, budgeting, allocating, and controlling financial resources to prevent overspending. Techniques such as cost baselines and variance analysis help track financial performance. Quality objectives are supported through defining specifications, testing procedures, acceptance criteria, and continuous quality assurance practices. However, constraints in one area can place pressure on others. For example, reducing the schedule to finish earlier may require additional resources, increasing cost, or may lead to compromised quality if work becomes rushed. Likewise, cutting costs may require reducing scope or extending timelines. Therefore, trade-off decisions must be made transparently, based on data, stakeholder agreement, and project priorities. Strong governance and consistent communication are essential to maintain alignment and prevent conflict. Managing these objectives over the course of the project requires continuous review and stakeholder engagement. The project manager must regularly assess performance data, identify deviations from planned targets, and take corrective action where necessary. Change control processes are critical because they ensure that modifications to timeframes, budgets, or quality standards are evaluated carefully before approval. This helps avoid scope creep and uncontrolled cost escalation. At project closure, outcomes are assessed against the initial time, cost, and quality objectives to determine success and identify lessons learned. This evaluation not only informs future projects but also strengthens organizational learning and capability development. Maintaining a balanced focus on time, cost, and quality throughout the project supports strategic alignment and stakeholder satisfaction. Leaders must communicate clearly, manage expectations, and encourage collaboration among team members to uphold these objectives. Ultimately, a well-managed balance of time, cost, and quality enables the project to deliver outputs that are timely, affordable, and fit for purpose.